May not be loose enough for him. Oh, big yawn. Huh?
Would you like another? Wait.
Whoa.
Did you go boom loose?
Oh, you're okay. Oh, there. That's what happens when you take somebody's crayon.
Boom. Boom. You went boomers. But you landed gently. That was very good, Max, that you landed gently. What? Here, now you have to also...
Say, please, please.
Whoop. He doesn't like to get too close to his work.
Uh-oh, did it fall down?
Whoop. Max is on a mission. Where's Bogey go? Where's Bogey? Oh, there's Bogey. There's Doggy. No, don't give Doggy the...
he doesn't want a crayon. He's too smart to put crayons in his mouth.
Daddy.
Oops. Oops, my camera was right there. You bumped your head on my camera. Yeah. Hi.
You don't want a fingerprint on yourself.
Daddy. Daddy.
Is the doggy under the table? Say, peekaboo.
Very good. That's good. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. I see you. Peekaboo, doggy. Oh.